Are you crying for not having YouTube views? Then optimize your YouTube video title and thumbnail. Here I will show how to create magnetic title. So let's start. Number 1. Start title with numbers. For example, top 10 places to visit in India or 10 best mobile apps in 2020. Always start with 5 steps, 5 ways, 5 tips, etc. Number 2. Use how to in title and thumbnails. For example, how to assemble a computer in 15 minutes. If possible, add a sense of urgency like add 5 minutes, 15 minutes, etc. Number 3. Use WH words like which, when, why. For example, why dreams come when we are at the deepest sleep. If possible, add some superlative words like best, worst, highest, etc. Number 4. Optimize title length. Although YouTube provides 100 character limit for title, the best length is up to 60 characters. Mainly first and last keywords are very important for your YouTube ranking. Number 5. Similar keyword in title and thumbnails. Use the same keywords in title and thumbnail and use up to 6 words in thumbnail with big and bold font so that both of them tell the same story. Number 6. Use a specific name for your video. Like how to make pizza without a microwave so that everyone can remember and find out easily. Number 7. Flag common mistakes in others' life, such as 5 weight loss mistakes that you make or 5 mistakes that ruin your credit score. Number 8. Create an open-ended title for your YouTube video, such as you must need this SEO tool if you are a YouTuber. Generally, it creates a curiosity to the viewer. Number 9. Use punctuation. Place the main keyword before colon or hyphen. For example, Google Cloud Print colon how to set up. It will really emphasize the main keyword. Number 10. Tools for YouTube title. Here I will show my favorite 5 tools which will help you to create a magnetic title, and it will help you to attract more viewers and more subscribers, and also it will provide you great insight about the YouTube title. I have shared the links of these websites below. If you like this video, please give thumbs up. Thank you.